It's a fundamental responsibility of the academic institution to train students. If you connect the dots properly, the aspiration of the students will get fulfilled. Very simple it is. Today, when you look at campus recruitment, it's totally changed. Organizations want 50% of the hiring to happen through visiting campus and recruiting people, and 50% of the recruitment is happening through conducting a design challenge. So Chennai University had a discussion with Autodesk and we started a design challenge. And interestingly, the jury members are all from the industry.
You want to be an engineer, you have to be innovative. When it comes to design manufacturing, whatever practices were there 15 years back, those are all completely changed. As an Autodesk learning partner, we conduct student workshops and we do training programs. When we train the industry, we know what exactly they're looking for and what kind of job roles are there. The Anna University Design Challenge is an important event for industry as well as for the university because we want to bridge that gap.
Engineers' work is to bring out new solutions in society. The Autodesk Fusion 360 Design Challenge was a great platform for me, and it had definitely helped me in gaining a lot of industrial exposure. All students desire to have a collaboration like this with reputed industries. These professionals had brought up certain problem statements for the students so that they could effectively bring out innovative and creative solutions. The Autodesk Learning Partner were of great help for me. These people are highly qualified in terms of training the students. My design was an electric disaster rescue and special purpose vehicle. I designed the wheels through the generative design feature of Autodesk Fusion 360. Generative design definitely helped me in terms of optimizing the wheels of the vehicle and win this competition. Without this challenge, I wouldn't have got the opportunity to interact with a lot of different people, right from academia to industry personnel. This has definitely shaped my career into exploring a lot of new fields in manufacturing and mechanical engineering.